Hi, this is how you pause, rearrange or cancel a download of a game or a game update on Xbox Series X, S and One. This here is an Xbox One, but the process is exactly the same on the other two consoles as well. First, we start by pressing the Xbox button on our controller to get into the menu. In here we can see that we've got one game download in progress and we could select this one to get more info about it. However, instead the normal path to the download queue is to first select My Games and Apps followed by See All. In here we then move a bit down and select Manage Queue and or Updates followed by selecting Queue. Now in here we can choose to either pause all, resume all or cancel all of our downloads. In this example though we would like to stop downloading the Rocket League update and instead download Forza Horizon 5. So what we do here is that we move to Rocket League and press the Options button on our controller, or the Start button if you're a little bit more old school like me. Then we select Pause Updating or Installing if you're installing a new game and not an update like in this case. Then we move down to Forza Horizon and again press the Options button, but now instead select Resume Updating or Installing, whereupon the two games then switch places in the list with the new one now downloading being up the top. If you want to completely cancel a game download or update, you can here also press the Options button while having selected the game you want to cancel and then select Cancel Updating or Installing and Uninstall. Bear in mind though that this also uninstalls the game as well as cancelling the updates, so sometimes it is actually a better alternative to just leave the game paused in the download queue in case you want to download it at a later point. Alright, that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!